Little fishy fishing here. We just got down to Evegate, me and Phil.
Nope, trying to get the coat on.
We're going to back to our normal swims again on the right hand side because Phil saw a duck and he likes the duck, so it's a bit, well, it's raining a little bit, just a bit of spitter, so we're going to load up the barrows. There's one other person here, and then he's on the other side of the lake, and then we're going to head over there and start fishing. Hopefully we catch.
Hi. So today I'm going to be trying out my new little toy, little Nastraw £1 test curve, just with a single hook bait, little 12mm boilie, and hopefully I can have something on this just to try it out.
Well, it's my first time using my new barrow now. I brought a new barrow. I brought the Fox Explorer Deluxe because I needed a new barrow. But the reason I like this barrow the most of all is because you've got these side pockets. You haven't got to like unload all the top. You can just open the side, break it there. That is plug box. I've got the radio on the top there as well. I normally put my white tub over there in the bottom. I've also got my gas down there. Got little pockets here for water. Obviously I haven't got the right water bottle for it, so mine don't fit. But you can always put other stuff in there. And then obviously I've got my bag which just goes on the front of it. See, this bar extends, goes in all the way, so if you want to put this bag in there you can. The barrow strap, obviously the front pocket. But it's 10 times quicker than putting up my barrow, my old one, because I haven't got to take the bolts all the way out or anything like that. But it's 10 times easier to push and all, where I can distribute the weight a bit more. But I'm currently fishing one in that bit there. One just to the, off the edge of this bush here, and one right in the middle over there. Phil's fishing, I think 2, like one just in front of the bush and one behind it, and I don't know where the other one is. But hopefully it warms up soon, and I'll be doing a feeder video for fishing, and then we'll be doing a overnight down Claygate again, which will be fun. My little bandums I get from Garrett Doors or from the tackle shop. Little 6mm bandums, bit of manila ground bait in the feeder. Lovely. And that'll be a crazy night, crazy session for the old carp. That will be. I've got, obviously I bought the brew kit, so I've got two new caps with it. Obviously all the pots for everything. Yeah, I'm still talking. Oh, I can't write on like that. But you know, there's a couple people down here, so I don't know how much we'll be moving today. Oh. Yeah, it's because it's not normal to have it like that, is it?
Yeah, you got to talk into it.
Yeah, but you didn't have it like that. You had it on the stand.
Yeah.
I was showing off my barrel.
Yeah, you still hold it up. That's it, like that.
Yeah. Yeah, 10 miles away from the fucking fence. Let's go in the video, not. Yeah, so there's quite a few people here already. Hopefully it warms up a bit soon. I will be putting the kettle on in a minute. Make a hot chocolate or tea. Fill my up coffee. So you've got a couple of people over there. One just around there, so we've pretty much got this whole side of the lake to ourselves in that top part. We did have a go last time. We did record, but there weren't a lot to put on the video, so I didn't do a video. Dan had a 2 rope shell, 2 bream. I had 2 bream. Out the main lake. Phil didn't have nothing that day. But he's got his new nest dwarf. Well, second nest dwarf. Anyway, so hopefully we'll catch.
Right, so Mitchell just had a fish, but we had a bit of a technical difficulty with the camera. Apparently the record button isn't working. So
he didn't like I had a fish on before either.
He did have a nice little bream on.
It was a nice sized bream.
And yeah, we've just set our trolley systems up, and now I'm gonna have to go and catch a carp so I can beat him. So Mitchell's caught his second bream. I'm actually getting proof this time. Look. So we had a lot of luck on his little feeder. He's a jammy little fucker. But yeah, I keep getting liners on one of mine, but that is it. That's all I've had for him. I'm not going to fish with him anymore. So he's just caught his third bream. It's only been about 15 minutes since your other one. Oh, he's well happy now. I had a little bite, but there he goes. Look, he loves that feeder rod. I've got to go and catch myself a bigger carp now to redeem myself. Yeah, so if you never hear from Mitchell again, it's because I don't catch nothing. So Mitchell just had one, but he lost it just as he got close to the bank. I'm not happy for him. So yeah, I've still had nothing. I have changed to a tiny little slow sinker. It's like a 8mm. See if I have any luck on that. But I think the fish have gone on holiday. Oh! Wait, what one was it? Yeah, but they're both lit up. Well, Mitchell just had his first, his full fish now. I just had a little bit of a run, but yeah, I'm scared to leave the rods now.
Yeah, well, I just had my other one, another bream. Phil just missed 2 runs. But hopefully it's picking up a bit more in his spot now as well. So you might see Phil has a fish for one. Oh no. Right?
Yeah.
Lost your bait. Lost your bait. Yeah, I've only been using on my feed a little bandam wafter and a garlic pellet, little tiny little one on a rubber band, and the wafter goes on the bayonet. But a bit of manila ground bait with a bit of pink fruit stick mix mixed into it. Right in that corner there seems to be a load of bream, but hopefully I'll get a carp. But don't mind catching the bream, at least I'm catching the fish. Liking the new barrel. I'll put the rain mac on the barrel just in case it starts raining. Got it, so I might as well use it. Hopefully it's alright have one sec. Again. Well, I've had 4, I think, and I think I've lost probably about 4 or 5ish now. Couldn't tell you if there are bream or carp that I've lost. Some of them have been quite heavy as I've been trying to reel them in. But I keep losing them at the moment. So still waiting on Phil to have one. He's had a couple bites and a couple runs as well. Hopefully we'll have something soon. What went on there? Phil's got his first fish.
It was.
Oh right, I didn't hear it go off.
Did not?
Ah. Yeah, well, Phil's got his first fish. Looks like a nice little bream.
Yeah.
Better than nothing, better than nothing.
It's a start.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh yeah.
It's a start.
Phil's on for his second.
Just chuck that out there.
Literally, I just saw the tip of the rod bend.
Nice and easy with this little one.
What's it feel like? Big one?
No, not massive.
No.
Quite sluggish. Bream probably.
Oh! It's so close.
No.
Chuck it right back there, you might have another one. I do believe that's part of my swim, that one, Phil, isn't it?
Can't believe that.
Oh, gosh, it was right. I couldn't see it yet, so I don't know.
Not massive, but
Do you not have that one on run or anything?
yeah.
Oh, I was just pulling your rod, but weren't pulling no line.
Yeah, don't forget my rod is only one test curve, so it'll bend before.
Oh yeah, I suppose so.
So Mitch has just caught his first carp of the day. Where's the scales?
In my barra bag. Yeah. In one of the side pockets. Not the one with a line in it.
What this one?
It might be that one. It might be that one. Has it got a line in that one?
Yeah.
There's the other pocket.
Let's go for a closer look. Lovely carp. Here we go, let's see how he's...
£3.
That ain't.
No? £5.
£5.
Yeah. Let's put you back in like that.
Do you not want to hold it?
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Right, it is now, what's the time? Near enough 2 o'clock, 5 to 2. Obviously I had that carp earlier. Phil's had nothing else yet. No bites, no nothing, neither have I. I'm going to rebait up the feeder and then I'm going to move some bits around in the umbrella, see if I can get my, what's it called, my barrel underneath, and then start loading up. We're going to have, even though it's only 2 o'clock, but it's pissing hard with rain out there. I don't know if you can see it on the water or not, but it's pissing down with rain. We're not having nothing, so we're going to go home an hour earlier than normal. I don't know if I'll do a video of us packing up. It's a bit wet. But if we have another fish, I'll let you know. Right, well, we've just loaded up the van, just left the lake. We're on our way home now. End score was 1 carp, 4 bream, 4 bream for me, 1 bream,
And a lost mystery.
and a lost mystery for both of us, really.
Yeah.
Couple lost mysteries, but I think my carp will be the carp of the day. Be the fish of the day, my friend.
Yeah, you are.
I'll put it up as the fish of the day.